Here's how to add a paywall to an existing Substack post/article. Hey everyone, welcome to Essetino Media. I'm Jewel. Okay, so this is our Substack publication, the Profitable YouTube Playbook. And I want to go to a past article, an older article, and add a paywall. So let's head over to the articles. So in your dashboard, under posts and under published, go to a past post that you want to add this paywall to. And in my case, I want it to be this one right here. Ken Leon's strategy and baguettes. I just came back from France, so that's why it's titled that. I like to click on view post rather than the three dots and edit because it'll open up a new window because I don't want to get rid of this window. So I'm going to click on this one right here, view post. And this is the older article right here that was released about a month ago on June 2nd. And then click on the three dots to edit. And then once you're in editing mode, it's going to look like this. Before you add the paywall, you want to get to the area of the article that you want to add the paywall in. So for example, let's say it's like right here at the end. Make sure that your cursor is there and then go to the More tab. And then go to paywall. From here, it's going to have this line pop up, and any content below this line, like that's the paywall content. That is the content that people need to pay to see. So anything below this line, free viewers won't see without upgrading to your paid Substack subscription. And then you just continue on as normal, like you can add videos, add your article, whatever the paid content is. And so after you finish adding everything, you would click update, and then it's going to update everything, and then it's going to look like this. This is an example of an article that has a paywall added to it, and I'll show you what it looks like. So we got the free stuff here, free. And then when I'm in the edit mode of the article and I scroll down, you'll see right here, paid content below, and then I added a video and then a bunch of other stuff, and only people who are in our paid subscription are able to see this content. And then if you preview it, if we scroll down here, that's the free stuff. And then here it says continue reading this post for free, and people need to upgrade to see the paid content. We do have one free post here, but if they've already used their one free post, then they have to click to upgrade to see the rest of it. And then it goes to a page like this, where we have different subscriptions, like the monthly, annual, and then our YouTube strategy accelerator here. So that is how you add a paywall to an existing article on your Substack. Hit the thumbs up button if you found this helpful, and come check out our Substack, the Profitable YouTube Playbook. The link for that will be down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.